Hello and welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if this is your first time here. Most people think about being clear as explaining everything. That's actually why they sound unsure. The most powerful communicators use something called strategic ambiguity. Strategic ambiguity doesn't mean being vague or deceptive. It means not rushing to fill silence, not answering more than was asked, and not overqualifying your words. Here's an example. If someone asks, "Are you sure this will work?" An insecure response sounds like, "Well, I think so because we tested it, and it usually works, and blah, blah, blah." But a confident response is much simpler. "Yes, based on what we know, this is the right move." Why does this work? When you over-explain, you're subconsciously asking for permission. When you say less, people lean in and they listen more. They assume competence instead of doubt. Here's an important warning though. This only works if you actually know your material and you know it well. Ambiguity without substance is simply manipulation, but clarity plus restraint signals authority. Before you answer, ask yourself, have I already answered the question? If yes, stop talking. Powerful communication isn't about filling space, it's about controlling it. Well, if you liked it or you found it helpful, please give me a comment and let me know some other subjects you want me to talk about. For professional and powerful communications, please click on all notifications, subscribe, and look for the videos in the future. Thanks for coming by.